Hi, I'm Birch, and I'm a restoration biologist with the BC Wildlife Federation, and I'm here at the headwaters of the Kootenay River as part of BCWF's 10,000 Wetlands project. We are here on the unceded traditional territory of the Ktunaxa and the Shuswapnik peoples, and we are working in partnership with Cirque Ecological and the Golden Rod and Gun Club. At this site, we're working to restore watershed health in the upper Columbia Valley with hand-built structures called Beaver Dam Analogues, or BDAs. Once installed, these structures help kickstart natural processes that have been lost by mimicking the benefits of natural beaver dams. This site was once a thriving and diverse beaver-created wetland. There are old dams that are over 30 meters long and span the entire floodplain, and there's evidence of small beaver dams within the channel that are no longer functioning. Today we are repairing some of these old dams using BDAs to mimic what beavers have done in the past. Despite evidence of their past occupation, there are no longer beavers at this site, and the wetlands have drained in their absence. By reconnecting floodplains and storing more water on the land, BDAs can kickstart the creation of healthier conditions for communities and improve habitat for fish and wildlife by raising the water table, holding more water on the landscape, and reducing the impacts of drought, wildfire, and flood, all of which are becoming more severe as climate change progresses. Here in the East Kootenays, watersheds face increasing pressures from these challenges, alongside land use impacts like forestry and development. These pressures disrupt the natural hydrology of our watersheds, reducing water storage potential and making systems less stable. By restoring natural processes here in the headwaters, we're building resilience that has the potential to spread throughout the entire Kootenay River system. This work is supported by the Columbia Valley Local Conservation Fund, the Fish and Wildlife Compensation Program, the BC Salmon Restoration and Innovation Fund, and the Province of British Columbia's Watershed Security Fund. Sustained funding is essential to continue this work. Thank you for your support.